All right, hello students. This is a video on what you should know about graphing lines. All right, so you should know that if I give you 2 points, you should be able to calculate the slope. Okay, let me get a pen. So it'll look something like this. If you have the point 3, 4 and the point -2, 0, it'll look like this. Let's make this one a -3. Right? The second y minus the first y, so it'll be 0 minus 4 over the second x minus the first x, so it'll be -2. Oops, my bad. -2 minus a -3, okay? Because the negative x right here is a -3, so we need to subtract a -3. And then, all right, then you can use your calculator and just type it in. 0 minus 4. And then this one is pretty cool because we don't have to worry about this. Just put subtract -3. And the answer is -4. So the slope is -4. And that's how you use the equation to solve for the slope. All right, if you're given a graph, you should be able to know that you can calculate the slope by doing counting the change in the y or the rise over the run. And if it's a decreasing line, then we always start at the leftmost point, right? This is the leftmost point, this is the rightmost point. So then you would do a drop in this. So this will be negative and this will be positive. That makes your slope negative. See what else we have. Oh, there it is. Right? And they like to do this on this side, but yeah. We do the rise first and then the run. Okay. Let's see what else we have in store. Oh, you should definitely be able to tell your slopes. Negative slope, zero slope, positive slope, and of course your undefined slope now that we know. And if it's vertical, it's undefined. Hope you're taking notes, especially if you didn't know that. You should know your slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. You can also be familiar with your slope-intercept form with your standard form, which is ax plus by equals c, and slope, what is it, point slope, sorry. I'm not a fan of this one, but point slope is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. And of course, HOY and VUX, so that you're able to write the equations for vertical and horizontal lines. We'll leave this one for later. Next video, I mean.